Hello everyone, today I will going to explain lecture review. This topic is very important for PhD students, MBA final year students and BBA BCom doing the research work. Okay, then what is research review? Research review is also known as literature review. It is a search and evaluation of the available literature in given subject or chosen topic area, and it documents the state of the art with respect to the subject or topic person are writing about it. Research review is a most important step in the research process, and the main purpose of the literature review is to convey any topic to the reader about the work already done and the knowledge and skill ideas already established on a particular topic of research. And importance of literature review: identification of research problem and development or refinement of research questions and generation of useful research questions and other activities for the discipline, and to orient to what is known and not known about an area of inquiry, to ascertain what research can best contribute to knowledge, and last is to discovery of unanswered questions about subject, concept or problems. Then purpose of literature review: different purpose of the literature review are, first of all, attain a good knowledge of the field of inquiry. Suppose like one new topic, gain knowledge to include review this topic, and to generate hypothesis and different methods used, and it helps to develop research investigative tools and to improve research. It also provides the knowledge about the problems faced by the previous researchers while studying the same topic, and to describe the relationship of each study to other research studies under consideration, and to see what has and has not been investigated. Then next is resources of literature review. Different resources of literature reviews are through the magazine and newspaper, electronic database, books, journals, conference paper, thesis, encyclopedia and dictionary, and also research report. Then how to process the literature review or review literature? First of all, bibliography. Then all matters are thematic organization and more reading, and then write individual section and to integrate the section, and finally conclusion. Okay, three basic elements is very important for the literature review. First of all, introduction, background information section, and the body of the review containing the discussion of sources, and finally conclusion and recommendation section to end the paper. Then scope of literature review. Literature review analyzes relationship and connection among different works, and which provides a list and brief description of articles, books, theses and other documents. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem, you can comment, so we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe. Thank you.